Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here is the part 5 of our video series in which we are learning food related terms in Korean language. If you have not watched the first 4 parts yet, you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. So let's start with the 5th part. Here comes the Korean word for corn, and that is 옥수수. 옥수수. Next, let's see the Korean word for mandarin or tangerine, and that is 귤. 귤. Now comes the Korean word for lotus root, and that is 연근. 연근. Next, let's see how to say asparagus in Korean language, and that is 아스파라거스. 아스파라거스. Next comes the Korean word for orange, and that is 오렌지. 오렌지. Now let's see how to say pork choy in Korean language, and that is 청경채. 청경채. Next comes the Korean word for persimmon, and that is 감. 감. Now let's see how to say scallion in Korean language, and that is 봄양파. 봄양파. Next comes the Korean word for raspberry, and that is 산딸기. 산딸기. You can notice that 딸기 is the Korean word for strawberry. Okay, and for raspberry it is 산딸기. Next comes the Korean word for celery, and that is celery. Celery. Okay, so today we learned 10 food related terms in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.